Still relying on traditional search bars to help customers find products? Today's shoppers expect instant answers, personalized recommendations, and a seamless shopping experience. That's where Acowebs Cart Easy AI Store Assistant comes in. Powered by AI, Cart Easy transforms your Shopify store into a 24/7 shopping assistant that helps customers discover products using natural conversations, manage their cart, apply discount codes, and even complete their purchase, all within a single chat window. Let's see how you can set it up on your Shopify store.
Once installing the app, navigate to the app dashboard. From the dashboard, enable the chat widget inside Theme Editor. This will help to display the chat box on the shop page. After clicking Save button, navigate to the storefront and check how the chat box works. Once opening the chat box, ask a test query to see how the Acowebs Cart Easy Chat Assistant respond. You can see how the chat assistant responds with the query by showing the products in the chat itself.
And that's it. Start using Acowebs Cart Easy app for a better user experience. Thanks for watching.